Morning viewer. Welcome to our Glory Globe to years amazing news for our viewers. As the body ages, the brain becomes less effective at clearing out vast a problem. Researchers believe may contribute to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Now, scientists at Washington University School of Medicine in St. Louis have identified a way to address this issue by touching and focusing on a network of vessels that help drain waste from the brain, and their findings show that rejuvenating these vessels can improve memory in older minds too. Published on March 21st in the journal Cell, the study offers a potential new approach to treating age-related cognitive decline, and one that avoids the challenge of getting medications past the brain's protective barriers. The physical blood-brain barrier hinders the efficacy of theories for neurological disorders, says Jonathan Kepnes, PhD, the Alan A. and Edith L. Old Distinguished Professor of Pathology and Immunology and a BJC investigator at Wasu Medicine. By targeting a network of vessels outside of the brain that is critical for brain health, we see cognitive improvements in mice, opening a window to develop more powerful therapies to prevent or delay cognitive decline. Kipnis is an expert in the blossoming field of neuroimmunology, the study of how the immune system affects the brain in health and disease. A decade ago, Kippen's lab discovered a network of vessels surrounding the brain, known as the meningeal lymphatics, in mice and humans that drains fluid and waste into the lymph nodes, where many immune system cells reside and monitor for signs of infection, disease or injury. He and colleagues also have shown that some investigational Alzheimer's therapies are more effective in mice when paired with a treatment that improves drainage of fluid and debris from the brain. Beginning at about age 50, people start to experience a decline in brain fluid flow as part of normal aging. For the new study, Kippins collaborated with Marco Colonna, MD, the Robert Rock Beluvua, MD, Professor of Pathology, and asked if enhancing the function of an old drainage system can improve memory. To test the memory of mice, the researchers placed two identical black rods in the cage for 20 minutes for old mice to explore. The next day, the mice received one of the black rods again and a new object, a silver rectangular prism. Mice that remember playing with the black rod will spend more time with the new object, but old mice spent a similar amount of time playing with both objects. The first author of the new study, Kyang-Deok Kim, PhD, a postdoctoral fellow in the Kiffins lab, boosted functioning of the lymphatic vessels in old mice with a treatment that stimulates vessel growth, enabling more waste to drain out of the brain. And he found that the older mice with rejuvenated lymphatic vessels spent more time with the new object, an indicator of improved memory compared with the older mice not given the treatment. We had this exclusive report.